You have a website and you just realize that your hosting is going to expire in few days and you want to change your hosting provider for some reason, but your question would be, how do I do this? Yes, I know you guys are planning to migrate your website to a new host, and I'm sure you must be worried about losing your data while doing this migration process. Don't worry guys, I'm here to provide you the solution for this. So let's quickly dive into the solution, that is how to migrate or transfer your website from one host to another host. I'm Nandikishore and welcome to Digital RNK YouTube channel. Okay, we are going to be doing this migration process in 5 steps. So I'll take you to my system screen. I'll see you there. Okay, I have opened the WordPress dashboard of my digital marketing buddy, Alpha Indian Man, who graciously allowed me to record and show you guys this migration process. If you guys are interested or want to know about health and fitness and self-development, follow Alpha Indian Man YouTube channel by clicking this link. Step 1. Get your new hosting. There are many other sites, but I recommend Hostinger because you are gonna get many features like email, free SSL for lifetime and free domain when you go for premium web hosting. And you will also get extra discount if you click on this link and enter the coupon code provided in the description box below. So once you have purchased the new hosting, we will move on to step number 2. Install the plugin. From your existing WordPress dashboard, go to plugin and add new and search for all-in-one WP migration. Once you get that, just click on install now and click activate. Step 3. Export your WordPress site. Now hover on all-in-one WP migration and select the export option. You will now need to choose export to and click on file and save the zip file somewhere on your computer. This will take some time depending on the content size on your website. Once this export process is done, just click on the download button. Step 4. Install WordPress to new host. Now, to transfer your website, you will need to install a clean WordPress version on the new web hosting provider. If you don't know how to buy hosting and install WordPress, then click on the above link to watch the tutorial. Just click on Manage Site. It will take you to the dashboard. Here, under Accounts, click on Details. You'll find Name Servers. Now, to point this domain to our new hosting, I will just copy and paste these name servers to my domain service provider. Once it's done, come back to Hostinger and install new WordPress to your domain. After WordPress is installed successfully to your new domain, go to dashboard and install all-in-one WP migration plugin again. In my case, by default, it's already available. This time, from the menu, choose Import. If your website is larger than 128 MB, you will need to install the plugin extension. I have provided the link in the description box below. Once you click on that link, it will take you to this page. Here, you have 2 options, Basic and Premium. Note, this is for websites having lesser than 512 MB size. If it is more, you have to go for Premium option. Just click on Download. Once it is downloaded, come back to your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins, Add New, and click on Upload Plugin. And choose the downloaded file and click on Install Now. Upload the file you have downloaded earlier and the plugin will transfer your website to another hosting provider automatically. Once it's done, click on Finish. Just to show you everything is working perfectly, let me open the site. There we go. Now the migration process has been successfully completed. So thank you guys, hope you have enjoyed this video. If you're new around here, please consider subscribing to Digital RNK YouTube channel because I'll be doing a series of web design tutorial using Elementor Page Builder. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Until then, take care, keep learning new things. Bye.